Range of motion is everything. Most artists get stuck here because they keep doing what feels comfortable. When you draw tight, slow, and precise, your art is going to look tight, slow, and rigid. So we've got to break that. Start with structure, learn how to draw the right way, then tear it apart. Push it, simplify it, move faster. Switch tools, pencil, marker, crayons, charcoal. Different tools force different movements. And that's the goal. Your brain wants easy. It wants habit. What you've done before. That's the easy route. So if you're a tight artist, you've got to push past that on purpose. Now here's the big one. Visual range of motion. You've got to be okay with your art falling apart. Messy drawings, bad sketches. That's where the growth is. Don't hide them. Hang them up. Look at them. Live with them. Because over time, you'll start to see something different. You'll see energy, freedom, possibility. And that's where and when everything changes. So don't just draw, expand your range of motion. Follow for more.